1999 Sea Ray 190 bow rider on an easy loader tandem axle bunk trailer. Sea Ray Pearl with blue accents. Bow and cockpit cover. Merc Cruiser Alpha drive with stainless steel prop. Swim ladder. Here's a video of the boat with the covers off. Three-piece walk-through windshield. Going in the interior, you've got driver's bucket seat with thigh-rise bolster, full instrumentation with depth finder, 471 hours, 8-person capacity, open bow, lockable glove box with stereo, built-in cooler. In the main cockpit of the boat, again, driver bucket seat, port back to back, high-low aft jump seats that create a sun pad, and there is a 220 horsepower Merc Cruiser 5-liter V8.